okay? Review about the unit number 5 and the unit number 6 of the book. So let's start with the class of today. One moment, please. Okay, first remember the classroom languages, okay? You have to use this expression or those expressions to communicate in class, okay? For example, if you want to go to the bathroom, you can say, Miss, may I go to the toilet, please? Or for example, Miss, ¿en qué página estamos? En vez de decir, ¿en qué página estamos? Se dice, what page are we on? O Miss, ¿podría repetir? Se dice, could you repeat that, please? O Miss, tengo una pregunta. In English, I have a question, ¿ok? Entonces, use those expressions. Utilizamos estas expresiones para comunicarnos en clase. ¿Ya, chicos? Le voy a mandar una captura de pantalla al salón, ¿ok? Para que, lo pongan en práctica. ¿Ok? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, one moment, please. A moment. Okay, students, now let's continue with the activity. Today we're going to have a review. Vamos a tener un repaso. And in this activity, you have to read and complete with should or shouldn't. Completamos con should or shouldn't. Para eso, recuérdenme, ¿qué significa should?
Deberías.
Y shouldn't es no debería.
No deberías.
Perfect, very good. Should significa deberías, shouldn't significa no deberías. Let's start with the reading. The reading title says, Keep Baytown Green. Keep Baytown Green significa mantenemos. A Baytown is a place, es un lugar, de repente es el nombre del colegio. Baytown Green, ¿ok? Mantenemos a Baytown de color verde. Mejor dicho, cuando decimos green, obviamente lo asociamos con el medio ambiente, con la protección de las plantas, etc. ¿Ok? So let's complete. Kevin is the leader of the Baytown School Environment Club. Kevin, this is Kevin, okay? Our reporter, Jenny, this is the reporter. Reporter significa reportero o reportera. In this case, the reporter, Jenny, asked Kevin for some ideas for keeping Baytown green. Le pregunta a Kevin por algunas ideas. Dice, for some ideas for keeping Baytown green. Okay, start with Jenny. Jenny says, Kevin, se está dirigiendo a Kevin. Kevin, tell us about some things young people should do to help keep Baytown green. And Kevin answered, there are a lot of things we should do. Hay muchas cosas que debemos hacer, ¿no? Obviamente por cuidado. There are a lot of things we should do. For example, we should recycle plastic, aluminum, and paper. Continue with the number 2. We throw away significa tirar. We throw away newspaper. ¿Qué sería acá, chicos? We should throw away. ¿Deberíamos tirar o we shouldn't throw away?
Shouldn't, no deberíamos.
Excellent. We shouldn't throw away newspaper, magazine, and cardboard. Continue with the number 3. We should recycle them. Deberíamos reciclar. Esto se refiere a newspaper, magazine, cardboard. We should recycle them or we shouldn't recycle.
We should.
Should. Debería.
Should.
Yes, we should.
Should.
Excellent. We should recycle them. Continue with the part of Jenny. What about trash? ¿Qué significa? ¿Qué hay sobre la basura? What about trash? There are some things that we can't recycle. Hay muchas cosas que no podemos reciclar. Continue. Kevin says, yes, Jenny. Okay, yes, Jenny, that's right. We make a lot of trash. Make a lot of trash significa hacer mucha basura. We should make a lot of trash or we shouldn't make a lot of trash?
Shouldn't.
Yes,
Shouldn't.
we shouldn't make a lot of trash.
We shouldn't.
Excellent. And we use a lot of plastic. We use a lot of plastic bag. We should use, deberíamos usar bolsas de plástico o we shouldn't use plastic bag.
Shouldn't.
Yes, we shouldn't use a lot of plastic bag because we can recycle them. No deberíamos usar bolsas de plástico, chicos, porque eso no se puede reciclar. Las bolsitas pequeñas ya no se pueden reciclar. Mejor sería usar bolsas de tela, ¿ok? Continue. Jenny says, but we can reuse plastic bags. Okay, continue with Kevin. Yes, we reuse plastic bags when we can. We should reuse or we shouldn't?
Should.
We should reuse plastic bags. Excellent. Jenny says, let's talk about other things we can do at home. Hablemos de otras cosas que podemos hacer en nuestras casas. Ahora vamos a ver sobre algunas actividades que hacemos en nuestra casa. For example, Kevin says, well, we, the number 7, we use a lot of water. We should use a lot of water or we shouldn't use a lot of water?
Shouldn't.
We shouldn't. Very good. We shouldn't use a lot of water. No debemos usar mucha agua, right? Continue with the number 8. The number 8, we should reuse rainwater in our yards or we shouldn't? We should or shouldn't?
Should.
Yes, we should reuse rainwater. Deberíamos reusar el agua de lluvia. Continue.
No se podría, porque el agua de lluvia está contaminada por el smog.
Claro, pero acá dice in our yards. El agua de lluvia es para regar las plantas. En vez de utilizar agua limpia para regar las plantas, podemos utilizar el agua de lluvia. ¿Ok? That's okay. Ok. Es más, algunos utilizan el agua de lluvia para los inodoros, para los baños, para limpiar el inodoro del baño. O también para algunas cosas, ¿no? Para otras cosas, otros tipos de cosas, para de repente regar afuera de casa, etc. Continue. Jenny. Jenny says, and we waste electricity. Waste es gastar.
Shouldn't.
We shouldn't waste electricity. Yes.
Shouldn't.
Continue with the number 10. Turn off the lights. Turn off significa apagar las luces. We should turn off the lights or we shouldn't turn off the lights?
Should.
Yes, we should turn off lights and computers when we aren't using them. Continue with Jenny. How about outside our home? We ask our parents to drive us everywhere. What is the correct? We should ask our parents?
Should.
Okay, in this case, it's shouldn't. We shouldn't ask our parents to drive us everywhere. Okay? We should walk or take the bus. En vez de estar saliendo con carro, lo que pasa es que en algunos países como aquí hay bastantes vehículos circulando por las calles. Si utilizamos menos vehículos y en vez de ir en carro, caminamos o de repente,
Bicicletas.
claro,
No,
usamos la
sería
bicicleta,
should.
es más cuidadoso, ¿no? Obviamente ayudamos al medio ambiente. Obviamente, si es que hablamos de ir a lugares no tan lejos, ¿verdad? Podemos optar por esas dos opciones. Acá dice, we shouldn't ask our parents to drive us everywhere. We should walk or take the bus. Okay, students, did you finish this part?
Yes, teacher.
Wait a moment.
Yes? One moment. Okay, one moment. Okay, tell me if you finish, students. Say, Miss Elaya, I finish. Let's continue.
I finished, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Let's
Finish,
continue.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Let's continue, okay? I'm sorry. Let's continue. Okay, the next activity is the page, the same page 57, the activity number 5. Okay, the activity number 5. In this activity, students, you have to, okay, read again, okay, read again, read here, read this, and complete with true, que es verdadero, or false, okay? You have to complete with true or false, okay? For example, Kevin is the school newsteller reporter. Kevin is the reporter, yes or no? True or
No.
false? False.
False.
False. Here is false. Continue with the number 2. The name of the club is Bytown Students Green Club. Yes or no?
False.
False. Is not the name. The name is Keep Baytown Green. This is the name. Chicos, les voy a dar 2 minutitos para que completen esta actividad, ¿ok? Read and complete. Okay? Volunteers for this activity. The number 3. Volunteer for the number 3. Matías Lara. Read the sentences, please. There aren't many things.
Young people can do help the environment. True.
Okay. Sure is true. There aren't. No hay, dice. No hay muchas cosas que las personas puedan hacer para cuidar el medio ambiente.
Is
that true?
False.
False, yes. Porque la oración correcta sería there are. Hay muchas cosas, ¿no? There are. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Lara. Okay. Continue with another volunteer for number 4.
Yo,
We,
teacher.
okay, Sebastián Bejarano.
We should reuse plastic bag. 3.
Okay, we should reuse plastic bag. True. Excellent. Very good, Sebastián Bejarano. Good job. Continue with the number 5. Christian.
People shouldn't leave their computers on all the time. True?
Yes, yes, it's true. People shouldn't leave their computers on all the time. Continue with number 6. The number 6 is Miguel Gregorio.
People should drive big cars and look through.
People should travel by car a lot. True. No, it's false. People should travel by car a lot. False. La gente debería viajar en su carro bastante. No, más bien por el contrario. Debería evitar viajar en carro, ¿no? Para contaminar, para no contaminar o para contaminar menos. Okay. Continue with the number 6. The number 6 is, which of Kevin's ideas do you think are the most important? Name 2. For example, one Kevin's idea is, I think we should reuse plastic bag. Okay, we should reuse the plastic bag. And continue with the number 2. I think we should turn off the lights. Pienso que deberíamos apagar, en este caso, turn off the lights. Apagar las luces, okay? So those ideas are Kevin's ideas. Okay, so let's copy. Okay. Okay, finish, students? Did you finish?
Finish.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent, good job. Okay, so let's continue with the next activity. What is the next activity about? The next activity is, okay, this is a short reading, okay? Let's start. Here says in the number 1, the 6th clue is the strongest bird. It's like a puzzle, es como una pista. But you should help it. It's hard. Rescue it from a rope trap and find a shortcut on the map. In the number 2 says, now, the boy says, now we go east. Ahora vamos para el este. Now we go east. The girl says, that's straight ahead. Come on. Eso es de frente. That's straight ahead. Come on. Continue with the number 3. And the girl says, look at this trash. Look at all this trash. Miren toda esta basura. Look at those. Look at all this trash. The boy says, people shouldn't leave it here. Las personas no deberían dejarlo aquí. People shouldn't leave it here. The other girl says, no, let's take it with us. Llevemos la basura con nosotros. Let's take it us. Okay? Continue with the number 4. The boy says, look, it's an eagle. This animal, it's an eagle. The strongest bird. El animal más fuerte. The strongest bird. It's stuck. We should help it. Está obviamente atado, en este caso con la cuerda. We should help it. Deberíamos ayudarlo. In number 5. Good job, Jack. Let's follow it. Vamos a seguirlo. Good job. Continue with the number 6. It's a rope bridge. Es un puente de... ¿Cómo se le llama esto? Un puente colgante, ¿verdad? Con cuerdas. It's a rope bridge. It's a shortcut across the mountain. ¿Ok? Es prácticamente un paso hacia la montaña. Camino a la montaña en este caso. It's a shortcut across the mountain. In number 7 says, wait, Jack, the bridge is broken. El puente está roto. Let's fix it. Vamos a arreglarlo. In number 8 says, look, we can reuse this rope. Podemos reusar esta soga, una soga que ellos ya tenían, que era la soga del águila, ¿se recuerdan? The girl says, good idea. And in number 9, they are walking and they say, okay, let's cross carefully. Ahora crucemos con cuidado. Okay, students, now let's continue with this activity. In this activity, you have to read a story and correct the sentences and the number. Let's correct the story, okay? In the first sentence say, they follow the eagle to the rope mountain. They follow the eagle to the rope mountain. Is that correct to say rope mountain? No. The correct is they follow the eagle to the rope bridge. Okay, the correct is rope bridge. No rope mountain, is rope bridge, que es el puente colgante, ¿verdad? Rope bridge. Let's continue. Continue with Ruby. Ruby, here says Ruby, one moment please. Okay, Ruby sees that the bridge is new and tells Jack, they fix it. The bridge is new. El puente está nuevo, is new or is old?
It's old.
Yes, the bridge is old. Here we have to correct. One moment, please. Here we have to correct this. The bridge is old. Okay, the bridge is old. Continue with the next. Jack helps the jetty and it flies away. Jack helps the jetty or the eagle?
The eagle.
In this case, it's Jack helps the eagle. Yes, the eagle. Helps the eagle and it flies away. Continue with the number 1. Esta parte no lo hacemos, chicos, ¿verdad? Me olvidé decirles. Esta actividad no lo hacemos. No. We are not going to do the number 10, okay? Just the number 9, just activity number 9. Okay, we are not going to do the activity number 10, just activity number 9. Okay, finish. Please say if you finish.
Finish.
Okay, finish. Very good. So let's continue, okay? Let's continue. Okay, let's continue.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, continue with this. What can you do to show the value, reuse, and recycle? What should you do to show the value, reuse, and recycle? For example, what can you do? ¿Qué puedes hacer tú para reusar y reciclar? For example, you can recycle newspaper and magazines. Another idea is you can turn off the lights, okay? What is another activity you can do? Another idea to help the environment? Students?
You can recycle bottle plastic.
Plastic bottle.
Okay, very good. You can recycle plastic bottles, yes? Plastic bottles, very good, excellent, good job. Good answer. You can recycle plastic bottles. Another is that you can, oops. Another idea, what is another idea?
You can plant a tree.
You can plant a tree, very good. Puedes plantar another idea. What is another idea?
You can use a reader.
Okay, you can use an e-reader. Okay, you can You can walk or use a bicycle, okay? Pueden caminar o usar una bicicleta. Okay, so here you have to write an idea, an idea how to help the environment.
You can save.
Rainwater.
You can
You can save the water. You can save water.
Yes, you can save water. Pueden ahorrar agua. Yes, okay.
Teacher, podría ser you can recycle paper and paperboard.
Yes, it's a good idea. Yes. Okay, let's continue.
También podría ser, we should collect rainwater for our yards.
Yes, we should collect rainwater for our yards. Excellent. Very good, students. Now, let's continue with another activity. Okay, let's continue with another activity. Mientras que ustedes van completando eso, chicos, que es las ideas de cómo cuidar el medio ambiente, cómo cuidamos el medio ambiente. Dame un ratito, por favor. Yo les voy a hacer algunas preguntas personales a ustedes, ¿ok? Usando esta ruleta. Esta ruleta es para hacerle preguntas a ustedes y yo quiero que todos participen, en especial los alumnos que no suelen participar, porque hay algunos alumnos que no tienen nota de participación hasta la fecha, ¿ok? Entonces, vayan trabajando, chicos, y yo ahorita les voy a preguntar uno por uno, ¿ok? Este se llama la ruleta, la dinámica de la ruleta. Yo voy a dar vuelta, ustedes dicen stop, y donde veo un problema, for example, this problem is about the electricity. The question is, what should we do to save the energy? ¿Qué podemos hacer para ahorrar energía? Y ustedes me dan la sugerencia correcta, ¿ok? Ok, so let's start. Voy a comenzar en especial con los alumnos que necesitan nota de participación, ¿ok? Ok. One moment, please. Let's start with Let's start with okay, Joseph Espinosa. Joseph Espinosa is in the class. Joseph Espinosa. Joseph Espinosa Medalla. Yes, Joseph, hello. Joseph, you have to answer. Tienes que responder, Joseph. Joseph. No hay punto de participación. Entonces, los alumnos que no responden, ni por micrófono, ni por chat. Ok. Los alumnos que no responden ni por micrófono, ni por chat. Ok, tienen -3 puntos. Joseph tiene -3 puntos, no respondió. Carlos, Estela, sí tiene nota de participación. Adrián García. Adrián García, hello Adrián. Adrián García, recuerden que si no responden, tienen -3 puntos. Adrián García, si está en la clase. Adrián, cuento para que respondas. 1, 2, 3. No responde, -3 puntos. Chicos, tienen para responder hasta en el chat si es que está dañado el micrófono, pero no responden. Cindy Gargate, a ver, vamos a ver, Miguel, Sebastián. Ok, Luana Kilka. Luana Kilka is in the class. Luana Kilka. Luana. Luana, hello. Luana. Luana, ok, Luana, you have to say stop. Tienes que decir stop, ok? 1, 2, 3. Say stop, Luana.
Stop.
Stop. Ok. Ok, la pregunta es la misma del ejemplo. What should we do? ¿Qué deberíamos hacer? What should we do to save the energy? To save energy, para ahorrar energía. What should we do to save energy? Luana.
Turn off the light.
Okay, complete please. I should turn off the light.
I should turn off the light.
Very good, excellent, Juanita. Tienes punto por fin en participación, hija. No tenías puntos tú. Muy bien, me alegra mucho saber que estás respondiendo. Continue. The next victim is is Jairo Torres.
Yes, teacher.
Jairo Torres. Jairo, say a stop, okay?
Okay.
Say a stop.
Stop.
Oops, one moment. Okay. What should we do to what is the question here? What should we do to help the environment? ¿Qué deberíamos de hacer para ayudar al medio ambiente? What should we do to help the environment?
We should reuse and recycle.
We should reuse, what? We should?
We should recycle.
Okay, we should recycle, okay? Very good. Excellent, we should recycle, okay? Very good. Good job, Jairo. Continue with another student. Another victim is Walter Vázquez Fermín. Walter Vázquez Fermín. Walter Vázquez, say hello. Walter Vázquez. Okay, Walter, say stop. Say stop, Walter. 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 Cuento 3 si no tienes menos 3 puntos. 1, 2.
Sí, miss.
Say stop, Walter.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, what should we do to save the energy, Walter? Walter, what should we do to save energy? 1, 2, 3. No answer. No hay respuesta. Ya, Walter, te estoy llamando varias veces avisando para que respondas. Okay, now volunteers. Okay, students, volunteers. Volunteers. Acabé con las victims, ahora voluntarios, volunteers. Matías Lara, say stop. Matías Lara.
Stop.
Stop. What should we do to save or to protect the environment? Lara, what should we do to protect the environment?
I shouldn't use a plastic bottle.
Okay, we should reuse the plastic bottles. Very good. Excellent, Lara. Good job. Continue. Ok, continúo. Antes de continuar, chicos, porque voy a preguntarle a todos los voluntarios, voy a llamar asistencia rápidamente, ¿ya?